Let's explore how AI models become specialists through fine-tuning, building on what they already know instead of starting fresh. Think of riding a bike. You know the basics, but a mountain bike on rocky trails needs some adjustment, just like AI adapting to new tasks. Fine-tuning is essentially giving AI special lessons, targeting specific areas like medical conversations rather than reteaching everything. Pre-trained models learn from massive sources, Wikipedia, books, and news articles, giving them a broad foundation to build on. Like knowing general math before tackling chemistry formulas, AI needs foundational knowledge before specialized training. Why is starting with a pre-trained model faster than training one from scratch? Fine-tuning follows simple steps. Choose your model, collect task-specific data, then train lightly while keeping the general knowledge intact. The challenge is balancing general knowledge with task accuracy, keeping broad understanding while improving specific performance. Fine-tuning helps AI grasp context, from Twitter slang where sick means awesome to technical medical notes. Transfer learning lets models apply original knowledge to new tasks without forgetting what they've learned. Regularization and low learning rates work together, preventing the model from forgetting while making careful adjustments. Why do you think taking small, careful steps is important when fine-tuning? Domain adaptation helps AI understand that the same word means different things in different fields. Virus means biological pathogens in biology, but malicious software in cybersecurity. Context changes everything. Slang and sarcasm on social media require sentiment models to learn beyond standard language rules. We measure success through precision for correct answers, recall for finding all answers, and F1 score for balance. A spam filter's email classification shows this. Precision blocks spam correctly, while recall catches every spam message. Fine-tuning beats training from scratch, saving millions of dollars and years of development time. If you could fine-tune an AI to help with school, what subject would you choose? Consider these scenarios: understanding internet memes, helping with science homework, or designing a community helper AI. Fine-tuning gives AI special lessons for expertise in specific areas while preserving general knowledge, saving time and resources.